Welcome back. I'm gonna try and make this as quick as possible because I have no memory on my phone, and the last time I did a video it cut me off. I'm trying something different with this. Ooh, yes. Okay, I'm glad they didn't come out so I don't have to redo this, but ooh, wait. Yes, I'm doing like a fastest unmolding ever. Damn, this one's at an angle, but I kind of like it. But yeah, so I did a soap dish. I'm gonna clean out these holes so that I like this. And it's smooth, yes. Okay, yeah. All right. And I was about to say, I thought it got stuck. Ooh, come on now. Okay, yeah, this is mine. Trying something. I don't even know if it's gonna be a phone holder or a business card holder. I don't know if it's deep enough to be business cards, but we'll see. Oh, this one. All right, we're at what? A minute and change. We're on item number 3. I got one more after this, but that one's easy. So, ooh, come on. Yes, I'm in my moo-moo. I came home and got undressed because I was ready to get, oh wait, that's gonna bother me. Figure out how to fix that because I wanted to put that on my table for tomorrow's market. Oh my god, get out. Oh gosh. Okay, alright, that one's out. I'm so mad about this. Like, how did you... Okay, so this is a faulty mold. Because why would you do that to me? Oh my gosh. I should have done this one first and then sped through the others. This is... I guess it makes sense though, because all these grooves and things. Oh my gosh. 1 whole minute trying to take this out. Oh, thank you. Oh, I don't like this. I don't know if I'm making no more of these. This is crazy. You see that hole? How did we even get here? Anyways, it really don't matter because everything else is as it should be, except for this little corner here. I got some rose quartz crystals in here that I used to line it. See it? All right. I was feeling very crystally. This was easy. Oh yes. I just want to. Oh crap. Oh crap. Crap. I put something in here. Oh gosh, it's gone. It's stuck. But this is gorgeous though. I went and I crushed some chakra stones. Well, some stones that align with the chakras. And we got it here. Oh, it's... Damn, I did that backwards. You know what? Trial and error. Either way, love it down. This is so gorgeous. I got selenite in here. You can kind of see it. And I got my stones. But I'm so mad my thingy is stuck because this was supposed to have like a little dip. And it's like baked in there too. I'm not even gonna disrupt it. Oh well. Anyways, we come around. I'm about to knock things over. Ooh. Alright, so this one I'm gonna have to put another layer on, so I'm not gonna take this out yet. But yeah, and this one I'm still working on. But this came out perfect outside of this hole. This is supreme. This is going on. Oh, I forgot about this one. Oh. All right, wait. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is pretty. I don't know if y'all can hear my air fryer, but I'm baking cookies. I love that thing. The air fryer, not cookies. Well, that too, but the air fryer. Oh, come on. Oh, this purple is rich. Yes. Oh, this looks good. This can't go on the table tomorrow because that venue doesn't allow marijuana paraphernalia. But gorgeous. Oh, this looks so good. Yes. All right. So we got that ashtray. I haven't made an ashtray in a while. Look at me. Soap dish, chakra soap dish, chakra incense holder. Well, I shouldn't say chakra, just like crystal, what you call it, because I have some selenite in here too for cleansing. Rose quartz, organizer, card or phone holder. Yeah, that's everything. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.